Welcome back, my friend. If you've made it this far in the videos, then I know you already understand that an online income is not just a possibility in 2025, but it's getting to be a necessity. We've looked at why it matters and why there's such great potential in online marketing. And I've given you 5 methods of making an income through online marketing. Let me just review those with you. First of all, it was e-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing, and content creation. But you may be wondering, if these income streams are so good, why is it that some people just thrive and they do really well and other people just fall flat and quit? Well, I'm going to be really honest with you here. Most people don't fail because the income stream doesn't work, but because they try to do it all on their own. They get overwhelmed, they don't have clear steps. They may have purchased a course online to teach them how to do online marketing, but then they're trying to figure it out all on their own and they have no support. And let me tell you from experience, trying to build an online business in isolation on your own doesn't work and is the fastest way to burn out. That's exactly why I started sharing the Digital Growth Marketing Blueprint. Because this isn't just another online business idea. It's a complete beginner-friendly program that helps you from start to finish. It's a turnkey business online, designed to take you step by step through the program so that you're never alone and you're never guessing what to do next. I've never seen anything like it, but the program is designed to teach you how to create $900 in daily pay. Think of that, $900 in daily pay. When you get this system down, that creates $900 times 365 days. In 3 years, you could be a self-made millionaire with this program. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that, but the steps are there for you to achieve that if that's your goal. It is already working for people all around the globe. And the best part is that you can literally earn while you learn. When I first started with the Digital Growth Marketing Program, in my first 5 days, I earned back my initial investment. And from there on, it was just profit. So as I continued to learn, I continued to earn money. By the end of the first week, I had earned $1,800 profit to me. When you purchase a program, you receive 4 already done for you products. So you're not having to guess, you're not having to figure out digital products on your own. These are 4 in-demand products that you can start selling from day one. You also receive a website and funnel and automated program that will work for you 24/7, even when you're done working for the day and you're off doing those things that you enjoy. What a relief that you don't have to create products. You don't have to build a website from scratch. You don't have to deal with complicated tech issues or figure out what to do next. Think of it, you don't have to create products, you don't have to create a website or funnels or automations. That's already done for you. All of the complicated tech is taken care of for you. It's a very beginner-friendly step-by-step program. It walks you through exactly how to make money. It's all laid out for you with support and mentorship and a community of over 50,000 members. Now, these members aren't making money off of each other. This isn't like a network marketing business, but they're there in this community, all like-minded people, all focusing on making income online, and they're there to support each other. I think that's one of the best benefits of this program. I want to share Victoria's story with you. Victoria is a military wife. Her husband's salary was just making ends meet for them, and they were living paycheck to paycheck with 2 little boys in military housing. But when she discovered digital marketing and this exact blueprint that I'm sharing with you, everything changed for them. She started following the blueprint step by step every day. And in just 1 year, she didn't earn just a little side income, but she earned enough income to buy their dream home and to drastically change her family's lifestyle. And she's not alone. Inside our community, we're seeing stories like Jessica, a stay-at-home mom who made $2,700 in a single weekend, all while homeschooling her kids. Or Jeff, who earned $25,000 in his very first month and is now planning a dream trip with his teenage son. Or Danielle, who barely went from being able to afford lunch out with her kids to earning over $11,000 in just 10 weeks. And Alana, she made almost 2 months' salary in 1 day.
Now, these stories might sound too good to be true. These are ordinary people. These are not celebrities. These are not big social media influencers. But what they did was follow the step-by-step beginner-friendly blueprint that I'm sharing with you. I highly recommend that you take a look at it. I really believe if you're looking for an online business, this could be the very answer that you've been looking for. I know people who have earned $10,000 a month, and I know people who have made over $1 million a year. Drastic changes in lifestyle just by following a simple blueprint. I know what you might be thinking. I was thinking the same thing too. Can I really do this? But I want to tell you, yes, you can do this. If you can follow a simple step-by-step beginner-friendly blueprint, and you can be consistent, and you can be teachable and coachable, then you can be successful in your own online marketing business and drastically change your future. Whether you're wanting to make a little side income or you're wanting to leave a legacy for your children and your grandchildren and have a very comfortable retirement, whatever it is that you're desiring, you can make it happen. So if you've been searching for a better way to make an income online, you don't want to have to go get a second job and work in traditional business, and you want something that actually works, that has a proven system, that has mentoring and support, then I'd like to invite you to take a look at the Digital Growth Marketing Blueprint. You'll find the link right below. When you enter your email address, I'll shoot you out the blueprint so you can start looking at this and see if this might be for you. Thank you for spending time with me over these last 3 videos. I hope that it's helped you to open your mind at the potential and take advantage of the huge global market online. I hope it's giving you some hope and some clarity and some excitement to take the next step. And if you've got questions, once you've clicked on my link and you've entered your email address, then you'll have my email address too. So you can shoot me a question anytime, and I'd be happy to help answer your questions. For more videos to help you earn income online, click on the like and click on the subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.